In today's video, we're going to be covering how to use replacement variables with the HTTP client connector. Now, I have two processes configured here. The first process has a message shape with the CSV data coming in. The second shape is a set property shape, where we define the value for the dynamic document property resource path with just a test URL. And the third shape is the HTTP client connector configured with a send action. Now, if we open up the operation, you can see I've set the content type to text CSV. And here you can find that the resource path is being called. Now, you want to ensure that you have is replacement variable checked. However, in this method, we also have a parameter defined. Now, this parameter, what you would find if you were to actually run this process, is that when you pass the CSV into the HTTP client connector, the request going to your endpoint would actually have this parameter defined in replacement for the body. So that CSV data defined in the message shape would be replaced by this. To resolve that, what you'll do is rather than define the parameter in the actual process, you're going to go into the operation, as we talked about before, set the dynamic document property name here, ensure that you have is replacement variable. And one thing to take note of is that dynamic document properties are case sensitive, so you need to ensure you have all capitalizations correct. But this is the same configuration here with the message shape and the set properties shape. However, if you were to run this and pass this to your endpoint, the request would have the actual CSV data attached. And that concludes today's video. Thank you for joining me.